and
Yes.
the goal is to like become more present.
Right.
And so like the answer I think is like what God is this moment. And the more present you become, the more you realize that it's just thoughts and illusions that are separating you from being fully in this moment.
Uh-huh.
So, like when you're chanting, and it starts to feel almost like a little bit disassociated.
Right.
You know, it's like it feels like you're like almost not controlling your body anymore.
Correct.
Like you stop thinking about it and you just start doing it.
Right. Right.
And then the worst is that the first thought is always like then you get to that place and you actually start getting somewhere and then you have the thought, oh man, this is awesome.
Yeah.
And then
goes away. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this looks like a main street. Yes. So there is Jnana.
So many like similar paths in yoga and in Hinduism.
Right.
But there is just not this concept of God.
Right.
There is not the concept of there is somebody who's already there, you know?
That's the problem, is that there isn't, but to understand anything as human beings,
Yeah,
we need
a person.
we need a story archetype. Like if
Right.
God is, it's like imagine trying to point at your own finger. You can't point at your own
No.
finger.
No, you
can't.
can't.
How do I point at my own finger?
No.
So if God is the whole universe, how does the universe point at itself without creating separation?
Right.
So you create these things to point at.
The concept of
एक second, let me ask these people one sec. थामेल बाजार के लिए कहाँ से जाएं? थामेल बाजार इधर straight.
Do you know Neem Karoli Baba?
Neem Karoli Baba.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is he very famous in India?
He is pretty famous. So the Steve Jobs also believed in Neem Karoli Baba. Mark Zuckerberg. So Steve Jobs told Mark Zuckerberg to go to India and visit Neem Karoli Baba ashram. So basically, he's one of the gurus. And so how we say like this is incarnate of Lord Shiva. This is incarnate of Lord Vishnu. So we say
Hanuman.
that it is Hanumanji.
He's like a
Sorry.
like a being that has no attachments, none. Like there's nothing there. Like it's just a pure vessel of the will of the universe. So like there's no like ego, no, just pure action. Pure right action, like can't do anything wrong. Yeah, I really want to go to. I'm gonna go to Nainital.
Nainital for the ashram,
yeah.
no? Yeah. If you do manage to go to Vrindavan as well, if you can, there is a Neem Karoli ashram over there as well. So,
really?
yeah, and it's really nice and peaceful. The couch that he would sit on, the blanket, the room where he would meditate.
The blanket.
Yeah.
No, I know, but the blanket is like
the
all the stories. Like all the stories are like, you know, everyone wants to touch his feet.
Right.
And he's like, he's only got the blanket,
Right.
like, hiding his feet. in the
Right.
blanket. Another thing about Neem Karoli Baba was that, like, and this is where I think, for me, it becomes a stretch, but also I believe it,
Huh.
which is kind of it's a crazy thing to believe. but apparently like he performed like genuine miracles.
थामेल बाज़ार के लिए इधर straight.
What is there?
So Thamel Bazaar is a really cool street. I explored it in the morning, so it has like a touristy kind of vibe, but interesting shops and cafes or something. We can check it out.
I love strolling around.
Yeah, no.
I want to buy a shirt. It's like only brought clothes for trekking,
Huh.
completely exclusively. And now I'm like, well, nothing that. Oh,
Pakoda.
Oh, should we get some?
I am full.
What is
You're
it?
full?
Yes.
It's like fried vegetable. You want to try it?
Yes. So both are fried vegetables? What is this here? Ah, okay.
So you can try that. She's giving it to try.
How much?
How do you like it?
Good. Tastes a bit like
Thank you.
Finish 5 rupees? 2 pieces. I'll just make it. Take?
yeah.
Only large.
Now bread just gave me one.
Huh. But that happens, like for the person to try.
It's amazing.
Yeah, na?
Yeah, fucking. Street food is so good.
The best.
Varanasi.
Insane.
Best ever. So good. I've been with two girls, like I've been with a couple from India.
Uh-huh.
They come from Delhi
Okay.
to Varanasi only for street food.
Really?
Yes. And oh my god, I've been with them one morning and we did a street food tour. So much good stuff. Oh, chaat, pani puri. Oh,
Huh.
so much.
थामेल बाजार के लिए इधर जाएं. थामेल बाजार. Straight then right.
Alright, it's good. I like walking around where you have like a mission, where you're not like super, you know what I mean? Like, you're wandering, but you're also kind of looking for something.
Yeah. That is nice. Even if it's like a small little whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, like yesterday with the film, the Dutch guy, left this morning,
Huh.
I went to get to like buy a bunch of stuff for trekking,
Okay.
and so I just went around with him. I mean, you guys smoke cigarettes?
No.
It's crazy to me, like, nobody in the US smokes cigarettes, like, actively.
In Europe, it's a huge thing.
He was like, yeah, you had to buy like a
Straight.
bunch of tobacco and
Yeah.
he bought a bunch of cigarettes, like. You know, he's like, I'm going for, 2 weeks. I can't not have cigarettes. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna be like hiking at altitude. Cigarettes.
Namaste.
How are you?
Good.
Say,
You're a professional sports.